Yes, good morning, good evening, good night, good afternoon, wherever you are in this diaspora. Welcome to Desert Straight Talk. Yeah, man. Please like, share, and subscribe to the channel. See? Yes, man. Well, today, them said today, a Canada Day. A day where you're not supposed to stray. Yeah, man, Canada Day, don't stray. Anyway, man, go and enjoy the Canada Day, Eat some food and things. Although, me need more. Cause this can't full my belly, I can't full my gully. When I say belly, gully. Two flour. Can't work. Me a man used to lie for 10. Although me never eat 10 yet still. But my lies for 10. Mm. Never got 10. Although if I ever pass 5, but well, it all depends on how big them is. You know? Yeah, it all depends on how big them is still. Mm. So I pass 5 little small one. Some woman make dumpling small. So if a woman made, me go pass 5. If a man made, no, so I can't pass 5. Yeah, for just reach a 5 and turn so back. Mm-hmm. Yeah. Everyone is up and about. And from last night, them about clappers. Mm-hmm. Victoria there. People out on the town, but not much now go on still. I do think so. Not much event like before. Mm-hmm. I mean, we have some places where are going with them thing, but me don't know still. Cause, yeah, some places are going with them thing. Mm-hmm. What am I tell you? Them say it's not good to talk and eat. Or eat and talk. Anyway, it want go. But me multitasking, me ride and whistle. Yeah, ride and whistle. Mm-hmm. And I can't miss my mouth. And the darkest time I can't miss my mouth. Me don't know how to do that. So yeah, go on do my thing. I tell you, drink up some, but kind of fresh. Some Guinness and supper then. Watch out, the food done already to rot, and I'm just start eating. Just start warm up, you know. Although this a warm up still. Mm. Warm up. Sun bright out the door, the boy. Sun all in my eye. No, some of them out around water, you know, but I can go around still because I'm not giving none. Not giving none at all. Hmm. You know when you go there and say you're craving, then call it Dicky Polo, all kind of thing. Yeah, man. Or me that. Dicky Polo, you know. Because me ask somebody over there who don't know about who them call road Arab. Let me know. Never hear the name road Arab yet. Guess she must just ban or something. People then call road Arab, I would love go a road. Yeah, man. We meet them up on the road. Calling road Arab. But you never hear that saying. I don't know how that. Yet still she's from back in the days, you know. No, everybody must hear it still. But it was a popular saying we used to say. Mm. What can I say? Mm. Yeah, man. Food I go on at the evening now. Baked bean and saltfish and dumpling. What a thing. What you know? Warm me warm up on the food and me I go back for more. Mm-hmm. I have to go for more. Oh, more than I pot anyway. Clear out this first. That was warm up. The second one I know me I come. See me find in the morning I pot. So me buy on my Canada shirt. Yeah, man. Yes, I'm back again. I'm back again. Who wants to me crave now for them business? Me crave yes. Me not deny that. He's a eater. He's not a drinker. You know. And me admit that. Me no drink and me no smoke. Me only run joke. So it's easier to close me more than feed me. Although me no fuss if you food, you know, you have some man, you know. I tell you say. You have some man if they ever go to work and come home and not see no food cook, a problem in the house, you know. Yeah man. A problem, well, me's a man like me no do them thing there. Come home and you no cook, that's alright. We just work with the flow, eh? With the flow. We just go with the flow. And sometimes no man can tired still, you know. And every day she feel to cook. Now I come in and you know cook no food and all them something there. No sir. All them something there are foolishness, you know. To me are foolishness. Yeah man, to me are foolishness. Trust me. Yeah, as me I said before, you know. See? You have some man, you know. When they come in, you know, go to work and all, come home and then I see the woman cook no food, you know. Then go on bad. Yeah man. I said then go on terrible man. How no food no cook and all them something there, you know. The woman go work too, you know. But the man just come in and go on bad because he not see no food. Me have food, you know. But me no stay them way there. And the woman can tired too. Want a break too. So you know, come in and cuss over food and all them something there. All right, stop. He's a man for me have all my crackers, you know. And like a tea, you know, me good to go, you know. Me not have to eat no food. Just drink some tea and eat some crackers. And I'm good to go. Now war with nobody over food. Me not do it. You want to cook, you cook. If you don't want to cook, for your business that. You understand? Yeah man. Me not war with them. Me know what to do. Just make some tea and eat some crackers and I'm good. But some man, I'm go cook. But because they can't cook, or them just feel so the woman duty that to cook. Them just behave bad. You know? Well, I don't want nobody get it wrong still, you know. You see me? Me don't love the kitchen, you know. Because me take too long when me in the kitchen. Yeah man. Me take too long to prepare food. Because if I chicken me I cook, wash the chicken, wash it thoroughly. You have to cut up seasoning first before anything. Season up the chicken, put it down. You understand? Wash up the plate then whatever me use while me I season up the chicken. Put that one side. And if I flour, meal the flour, put it one side. Me have to done all them things there. And wash up back all what me use before. Before me even put on a pot. Sometimes just cutting up the seasoning alone. Because that's how me do it. Take me a while. So me not like cook. Me not tell nobody to me like. Me not like cook none at all. But me can cook. Me can help myself. And me can cook and you eat and enjoy it too. Me I tell you that. But the cooking is not my thing. So no woman never expect me to be in the kitchen more time, you know, because I don't think I do it. When me know me, we do. So if you cook, you know, no problem, you know. Me clean up at the kitchen then. Clean up at the kitchen. Wash up the pot then. Wash up the plate then, whatsoever. And me that. Because I love my fingernail them clean. So you don't have no problem in our department there. Me are the plate man. Not the chef, me are the plate man. Me wash up and clean up at the kitchen. Speak and span. But boy, if you cook, are the hardest thing. Me take too long, man. Sometimes hungry I kill me. Before me done eat the food, before me done cook the food. Because me take so long. And next thing me people are talking about them cook and can't eat. Me don't know the one that work. Me cook and can't eat. Yeah, man. Hey. When me cook, me eat too much. Me enjoy my cooking. 100%. Now all the time doing it, because sometimes the food not come out that good when me enjoy it, you know. But me I tell you, sir, majority of the time, me enjoy my cooking. And me eat too much. Me think me eat too much and overeat too. I crave that still, you know, they call crave, you know. But me think me overeat when me cook. Every minute when I go in iPad. Me I tell you, man. Every minute me in iPad, I eat out some. No joke about that. So, me not the man to come in and cuss and grumble and go on over food. Me not do it, man. When you there a whole day, and you cook no food. Me not do it. And no woman can say me ever do it. Because I don't me that. No joking. I don't me that. I love tea, you know. Because I used to call my father tea. Tommy tea. And he used to love tea. And me I tell you, sir, my brother and my sister them get it from my father. We all love tea. 100%. Yeah, man. If you not give it nothing to eat, just give it some tea. That me know with my family. We love tea. Yeah. If you don't have food, just give it tea, man. And we're good to go. Because my old man, me I tell you, chocolate tea, cocoa tea, lime leaf tea, because we used to have a big lime tree around the back of the yard, you know. Why sometimes I tear the lime leaf tea, me I tell you. Where's that when I go to school, my mother that kill with the lime leaf tea. Go on about my picture, two couple leaf off a tree. Lime leaf tea. Papa Jesus. Fever grass tea. Sometimes I go and bad, I don't want them tea them, man. But we have a tree in our yard. And a good tea them there. But you know, as a youth and thing, you want Milo tea, you want cocoa tea, you want chocolate tea, Horlicks and all them foolishness. But it's sweet way anyway. We are used to sweet way, you know. Nice. Mm. Them tea they want. Don't give me no lime leaf tea. Mm. Yeah, me I tell you, that's the no. When you grow, it's all of a thing. Me I tell my youth, my mother raised, we used to raise everything. Look at see what we used to raise. Pigeon, guinea pig, rabbit, duck. Till we used to have all a duck pan in our yard. We make a duck pan. Them can go in there, and swim. What again? Chicken. Hey, my mother used to raise everything she catch on her hand, man. Trust me, everything. She used to raise them. But we used to, one time we used to raise chicken and kill them and sell them still. Yeah, man. Raise everything. Rabbit. Every little thing. Name it and we raise them. Goat. No, one time we have a little goat still. We have goat still we used to raise, but my mother never used to raise goat. But I think we'd have 2 goat or a couple goat one time. But I made have a little goat and I call him Billy. You used to let him go. You could kid, You used to let him go and make him go down on the center and eat some food, and you see him come up back, Hey, goat is a smart thing, We'd have a couple goat one time, let them go. Morning time and gone down at the center, community center, And trust me, we could have known the time when you see them come up back the road, come up back in the yard, Like at 3 o'clock, I mean, I tell you, and a joke thing, Like every day you see them come, 3 o'clock. And then now if them one another, you know, just see one come up the road, Group of them come up. If you don't see one, you know say something happen. Yeah, man. Or if you see them later than them time, there's something happen. It's either one of them no want to come, no get to come or something, but something happen. So you can just know. Because them not left them one another. I go at that. You let them out, you see them and come back at certain time. Yeah, you can just see them and know the time. You don't need to look on your watch. You just know it's at 3 o'clock now. I see them there come up the road. I may tell you something, little Billy. Let him go one day and go and feed and thing. And I told the man, I see run come up the road. Come call me. Jesse, you want to kill Billy, I say what? See, yeah, man, I can't kill Billy. And Billy, me used to call him, Billy the kid. I say, what that happened? I say, yeah, man, run on the front page, You want to see the goat up on the sidewalk, but my pick, like him, I pick some grass up on the side of the road. And him have his head over the curb wall, I pick. And I car just pass that close to the curb wall, and lick him in the head, So the man said them cut him short before, In dead car them see him a flat and thing, and them just cut him short. Papa Jesus, the amount of people. And then bring him come, Come give me, And the amount of people who want goat meat. with one piece of belly. Me say, God Almighty. Almost who did help feed him? No. Me said the amount of people want a piece of belly rasta. Me don't know if me would have get any. If me did figure out them. Me wouldn't get none. Because I know one big goat, you know. You know something I tell you. The amount of people call and request. Me don't know how some of them even hear. Say me goat dead. No, sir. Mm-mm. Just make a man skinny man. Me give who me could have give, you know. And of course, you know, so the man them round the road when the dog, when the van lick him. You know, them ever want pick or them they dead. So me have to give them. Them my first priority. Mm-mm. But me tell you, man, it's a thing. So me and them feed Billy, man, and grow him. Everybody want a piece of Billy. Mm-mm. Why? I tell you. Yeah, I seem to me a youth, you know. Me have a little puppy I grew him in a rasta. And a man tell me, say, if more didn't get bad, you know. Yeah, what you do, Desi? You want him get bad? Me say, yeah, man. Tie him up and give him some pepper. Boil cornmeal, cut up the pepper in the cornmeal and give it to him. Now give him no water. And never forget. Now give him no water. And oh, nobody can come in your yard. Me so young and foolish now and stupid. Me boil cornmeal for about 2 days. Cut up pepper in it. Give a little puppy. Papa Jesus. You the dog a ball in the night, you know. Now give no water, you know. You little puppy a ball. Yeah, me to myself now. Yeah, man, him a get bad. Mm-mm. Never know say I kill me and kill off the little puppy. I tell you this, man, if I see the man there today, I don't know what I do, you know. Me say me never know, so me a kill off my little puppy rasta I love so. And me have the little puppy say, yeah, me have a grow me and all, you know. You know? And thing. Tie up the little puppy as the man say. Feed him with cornmeal and pepper. 9 nights me the puppy a ball about 3 nights straight. Puppy a ball, only and me a tell boy, he might get bad. One morning, him go on, man. The puppy is stiff. Me say, Papa Jesus. If you cut me in, I see no blood, man, the way me vex me. The puppy is stiff. Dead. Me tell people what I do. Man, you kill off the dog, man. How you do that? How you tie up the dog and give him pepper? And I give him no water? No, man. I kill the man, to tell you to kill off your puppy, man. I said, Papa Jesus, man. Yeah, man. Just like that. Let me tell you, just like that. Just like that. Just like that, my little puppy gone. Kill off the puppy to rotting. You see how people wicked, man? Man mislead me in every way. Kill off my little dog. Nah, think neither. Me just a follow him say. And every instruction good for follow, you know. And that me learn from it. Because some people lead you astray. No joke about that. Even in life right now. You can't take some people advice. Them lead you astray. That is no joke. Yeah man, no joke. Lead you astray. Lead you astray, lead you to your death, then lead you to everything to rot. All kind of destruction. Then lead you to. So I always tell people, follow you. Follow you. If you go wrong or you wrong, you have nobody to blame more than yourself. And nothing no better than blaming yourself. Because when you have to start pointing finger and blame somebody else, are the worst thing. And John did make me do that, you know. And Susie did make me do that, you know. You know how long you will regret that for? And you know how long you will say that? You through your father John and through your father Susie. Just follow you, man. The best person in life to follow is you. Yeah, why you see me brush off the food though. Second round, you know. That was 3. I think me get 2 first round. I'm gonna go back for 3 more. But it was good. Yeah man, it was good. Yeah, me I tell you. Treat empty me, I move in front of me, because no one empty plate in our start, it full and come back. And brush it again. Yeah, but me I tell you, man. No joke about that. Follow you. Don't follow nobody. I me learn from them days I me learn. So no follow nobody, man. Man lead you astray. No matter what. Them will do it. And for them own selfish reason too. And them know astray them a lead, you know. Them know. I don't know them no know. But them no business. Because I know them a go astray are you. Yeah man, I know them a go astray are you. So them not care. Yeah. So that was a lesson when me learned from early. When the man make me kill off the little puppy. Me learn right there so as a youth. Them time let me think me about 11, 12. Yeah man, I'm my first look at that. Me have dog in a yard, you know. Dog in a yard, you know. But I'm my first little puppy that when me take from somebody, you know. Because you need fat and look good, you know. Me say me I'll take him and raise him. Yeah man. And when me I take him, I say, you know, so much dog in a yard already. Me say, well, yeah, the one is my one. Them in the yard, but not my one. This one is my one. I just told me this stay from man instead. You know, want my one. This is my one. So all of them in a yard, I see them, you know. I see my one. So I take my one and I train my one. To be the baddest thing amongst the rest. And kill him off. Because of the wrong information. The wrong, follow the wrong thing. You understand? And kill off me little puppy. What a thing. Why me I tell you? So, yeah. My little talk that. See? Follow you. Don't follow nobody. Yeah man. Follow what you say. Follow what you feel like. Follow the inner you. Follow the inner man and the inner woman. You can't wrong. And if you're wrong, if you do go wrong, are you wrong? Nobody not saying you're wrong. Yes, man. Anyway, that was There's a Straight Talk. Yes, man. See? So please, like, share, and subscribe to the channel. A lot of people watch a video, but them not subscribing. I wonder why. We know them love see me still. But the least you can do, man, is subscribe. And hit that notification bell. See? Yeah. Manners and respect. One love. One love. Until I return. I shall return. Yes, man.